In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Collaborator access in Siteground and Bigscoots. If you're looking to share your Siteground account with others, whether it's with a team member, a client, or a collaborator, I'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth setup. First, we'll navigate to the Siteground homepage where you'll embark on this collaborative journey. Once you are on the main Siteground webpage, the initial task is to log into your account. You can find the login button at the top right of the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your credentials. Be sure that your login details are handy, as this will streamline your access. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to your Siteground account dashboard. From here, head over directly to the section labeled My Siteground Account. This is your central hub where all your site management activities take place. Look for the websites option and select it. This will provide an overview of different websites associated with your account. Pick the site for which you want to set up Collaborator access and click on it. With the chosen site in view, it's time to manage users. You'll want to look for and click on the Users tab. This section is specifically designed to allow account holders like yourself to manage interactions amongst different users more effectively. Within the Users section, your next point of action is to locate the Add Users button. This is your gateway to inviting new collaborators. Start by selecting the Collaborator option. This will guide you into a specific area designed for managing people who need different levels of access to your hosting account. Keep in mind that choosing a collaborator allows shared access without compromising the security of your account. Next, click on New User. This is where you'll enter the details of the person you're inviting. You will typically be asked to input their name, email address, or other relevant details. Make sure all details are correct, as they'll need to use these details to accept your invitation and access the site. Finally, review everything to ensure accuracy, and once satisfied, click on the Add button. Doing so initiates an invitation email to your collaborator, which allows them to accept the invite and be part of your Siteground account environment. Setting up Collaborator access is a great way to streamline teamwork and manage multiple contributors efficiently. And there you have it, a comprehensive and beginner-friendly guide to managing Collaborator access on Siteground. Remember, whether it's sharing for troubleshooting or content creation, ensuring everyone has the right level of access will foster a cooperative and secure site management process. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.